Hello people, why we created this video. There are many people who complain about the keyboard key problem on Mac OS. When they press Y, computer types Z, and when they type Z, computer types Y. Other keys work fine in this case. If this is your case, then you are in right place to solve this issue. There is absolutely no need to reinstall your operating system for this reason. Why this happened? Because when you were selecting language while setting up your Mac, you chosen the wrong language named ABC, QWERTZ. Now, what do you have to do? Simply change keyboard language from System Preferences and you will be ready to go. Let's get started without wasting your time. Solution. Step number 1. Applies on all Mac OS versions. Open Keyboard Settings in Mac. Apple logo. System Preferences. Keyboard, input source, add language named ABC, extended, remove all other languages, then close System Preferences. Issue resolved successfully. Like our channel for final solutions. If you cannot find the solution anywhere, ask in comments and your video will be uploaded in under next 24 hours with the best solution. Must provide your operating system version in comments. Final solutions by Raheel Javaid. Like and subscribe if this video worth it. WhatsApp us for your important reviews. 0300 00459998. Take care and Allah Hafiz. Thank you for your time.